Guys, welcome to my channel. You can see my dull face and my dry damaged hair. So yeah, I have to take care of my hair and I have to take care of my skin today. So yeah, today I will be sharing my weekly pamper routine with you guys. As a pre-shampoo treatment, I am using coconut oil with aloe vera gel. Now this is a very effective hair mask. I think you should give it a try. I have changed my dress because I'm going to apply this hair mask and it can be really very messy. You have to apply this hair mask on your roots all over your length, and then you have to keep it for 30 minutes, and this hair mask is very nourishing and is going to deep condition your hair. Now I'm going to take care of my face. I will be using this Blossom Culture Mineral Scrub. This scrub is really very nice. It provides an instant glow, but the problem with this scrub is the particles are a bit harsh. So you have to be very gentle on your skin. You just can't rub your skin like this. Never do this. Whatever way you are exfoliating your face, be gentle on your face. And yeah, after 3-4 minutes, I just wiped my face. Now for face massage, I will be using this Oriflame face cream. Now I love this face cream. I got it with the Oriflame facial kit. Recently I have reviewed this facial kit. If you want to have a look, I will be providing the link up there. Now the thing is that you can use any face cream of your choice. Massage your face at least for 15 minutes. Don't forget the neck areas, and massaging increase the blood circulation of your face, and that's the reason you look glowing after any facial massage. After 15 minutes I'm just wiping my face. I will be using this Wow Upton face pack on my face. This face pack works very well on my face. It just rejuvenates my face, and I will be keeping this face pack for 30 minutes. And in the meantime, let me show you the shampoo and conditioner which I will be using to take off the hair mask. And I will be just rinsing off everything and coming in front of you guys within a few minutes. Now after taking off the hair pack and the face pack, this is how my face looks, but this is not the end result, guys. Now I will be using this Plum E-Luminance toner. This toner is very refreshing, not that hydrating, but I like it. Now after that I will be using this L'Oreal Paris hyaluronic acid serum. My face is very dry, so after toning my face I put this in my aim skincare routine. I have included this, and you know that hyaluronic acid can lock the moisture of your skin. This is great. And after this I will be applying the Requil hyaluronic acid and ceramide moisturizer. So far this is the best moisturizer that I have used, and this is like a very good moisturizer if you have dry skin. And to lock everything in, I'm going to use Good Vibes rosehip oil, rosehip facial oil. And if you're using facial oil, this should be included in the last step of your skincare regime. Don't ever forget this. So guys, this is how I look at the end of the video. In case you have forgot how I looked previously in the video, for you guys I'm just throwing up before after clip so you can easily understand the difference. Hope you guys found this video helpful. See you all in my next video. Until then, tata, take care, bye bye.